Everyone talks about margins, competition, and approvals. But here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. In 2025, EPC contractors won't lose projects because of price. They lose them because of quality. Not the old school lab test plus site check type of quality. I'm talking about a whole new era where QA/QC is digital, transparent, traceable, and non-negotiable. For years, quality meant cube tests, density tests, slump tests, compaction checks. The basics. But clients like NHAI, state PWDs, multilateral banks, airport authorities, they aren't looking for basic anymore. They want real-time data, digital records, error-free reporting, end-to-end documentation. In short, they want proof. And not paper proof, they want digital footprints. Think of the last time a project faced pavement failure, cracking embankment, drainage collapse, uneven levels, black cotton soil exposure. Every failure traces back to one thing: quality not controlled at the right time. And clients have realized a simple truth. Checking quality at the end is checking failure too late. That's why 2025 is all about quality assurance, not just quality control. Quality assurance means let's prevent problems instead of repairing them. Let me share a real situation every contractor will relate to. A contractor was building a 40-kilometer highway in Madhya Pradesh. The lab tests looked fine, site reports looked fine. But when the client's technical team visited, they found no digital tracking of test locations, no photographic proof, no record of where each sample came from, no log of rejected materials. Everything was manual. End result, the client ordered rework on a 9-kilometer stretch. The contractor's margin gone. Later, when they adopted digital QA/QC, every test had GPS, photos, timestamps, and traceability. Clients just didn't approve faster, they trusted the contractor more. Because trust today is data-driven, not relationship-driven. If you think quality assurance, quality control is just site engineers filling registers, then 2026 is going to be a shock for you. The new age QA/QC includes digital test logs, GPS tagged photos, drone monitoring, e-lab systems, material traceability, and real-time dashboards. This is not extra work, this is the new language of credibility. Clients aren't impressed by site visits, glossy presentations, or registers. They expect visibility. What's happening on the site right now? Predictability. Where could the next failure occur? Accountability. Who checked this, when, and how? Compliance. Are these tests as per MORTH, IRC, or OEM standards? Documentation. Whether this can be proved after 5 years. EPC contractors who deliver this will become the preferred partners, and everyone else, they'll keep fighting for L1 with no edge. Let's be honest. Contractors don't ignore quality because they don't care. They struggle because site teams are overloaded. Documentation is repetitive, tests are scattered, supervisors are short-staffed, everything is manually tracked. It's not a quality issue, it's a system issue. And 2026 is all about fixing the system, not the symptoms. Here's the truth. Quality is no longer a department, it is now your reputation. The contractors who adopt new age quality control will get faster approvals, fewer disputes, stronger margins, better client relationships, long-term trust. And the ones who don't, they'll keep getting questioned and delayed. So the question is simple. Are you building for today or building for 2026? Drop quality in the comments and we will help you achieve the desired quality in your projects.